price. The Jeep is half the price to buy than the Golf R. The Golf R is a lot smaller than the Jeep, but it's obviously a Volkswagen and that's a Jeep. The Golf R is 1 year old. The Jeep's 6 years old. There's all these comparisons you can make. None of those matter to me. The only one that matters to me is that I know that if the Golf has a problem, it's going to be more expensive to fix than the Wrangler.
Yeah.
That's a fact. So if
Your wife wants a Wrangler. Come on, let's just.
If I was going to, well, if I was, she's always wanted one. That's why I told her I was looking at one. But
so just tell her to wait, 6 months.
But if I'd got to choose,
no, I'm serious. I'm thinking of two.
If I got to choose between the two, the cost of ownership comes into place. Now that might sound like such a boring square thing to think about, and it's only because I'm in the trade, right? And I'm sure it's the same. It'll be the same for builders on houses. It'll be the same for plumbers when it comes to gas central heating. It'll be the same for anybody in a trade. Well, that's going to go wrong and that's more expensive. But it's so important because